everybody, it's Ronnie here, and so for today's video, it is my second in this little mini series of children's crafts, and today's theme, if you can tell by the lighting, you can't see my shirt too much, but it is Star Wars themed. And so quick recap for those of you who haven't checked out that first Jungle Craft video yet. I work at a school, I made 3 craft kits, and this is the second one I am showing you guys. So once again, this is a TikTok compilation. I am adding in extra pictures and descriptions and all that. So even if you don't have this craft kit, you can even still make it at home because I list all of the supplies and measurements and everything in detail. So if you do make any of these, let me know down in the comments below, and even let me know what your favorite one was once you watch it. So if you enjoy the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing because we have one more of this craft content left in this little mini series. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Hey everybody, it's Ronnie here, and so right before the school year ended for my kiddos, I made these cool craft kits. So first, in the space craft kit, I'll be showing you guys the space guide for summer, which is kind of like getting to make your own little bucket list, but space themed. So first, all I'm doing is just going in with some oil pastels and markers. You can use whatever you have on hand, and I am just writing out my name on the top and just decorating the whole cover. Then inside on the lined portion, I am writing out my whole little checklist of things I want to accomplish over the summer, from making a couple YouTube videos to trying out different types of paint. Now, you can write whatever goals you have, whether it's go on vacation to a certain place or read a certain amount of books. It's all up to you and what you want to add. And then on the other side, I wasn't too sure what to put, so I just kind of made some little cute doodles for space. And yeah, that is all it is. Super fun, cute, and easy to do for the summer.
Hey everybody, so here's the next craft for the Star Wars craft kit. So here we have some Yoda ears. So on the left side of the pack, even if you don't have this pack, you can make your own at home. There is a strip of green paper and 2 Yoda printout ears, which you can even draw yourself. So first, I'm just taking my handy dandy scissors, and I am cutting out both the left and right ear, making sure to leave that little tab at the end because that will be important to connect the ear to that headband. So after that, I'll be taking my 23" by 2" strip of green paper. Now this one was a little too small for my head, it barely fit, but for the kiddos, it's sure to be all good. So I am just choosing to staple mine. You can tape it, you can glue it. There's a couple different options for you there. And then I'm putting it on my head to measure out where exactly I want my Yoda ears to be. And then I am just folding it at that crease and just lining it up with the little marks I made and stapling them to that headband. And then you do the same thing with the other ear, and then boom, you have some really cute Yoda ears.
Hey everybody, Ronnie's here with the third craft of our Star Wars craft kit. So first I'm taking this little circle cutout. It is double-sided so you can open it up, and I'm just decorating the outside with a Sharpie. You can use whatever drawing tools you have at home. Now if you're making this on your own,
You're going to fold the paper in half and cut a circle at the edge of that paper. So if you see at the very bottom, there's that edge that will connect the two. Next, I'm getting a bunch of squares of tissue paper in a bunch of random colors, and I will be gluing them to the inside of the circle fold. So I'm just doing this all on one side. I am using a brush to add a little bit of glue. You can use a glue stick, but white glue is, like that liquid glue is preferred. So I'm just taking it and I'm just overlapping the tissue paper, gluing it to each other, making sure to randomize that order. And just to be safe, you are going to want to have a paper or something underneath you. I'm having a scrap piece of cardboard, just because that's what I had lying around. That's what these like crafts and DIYs are all about, just using what you have at home to make something cool. And then once you fill it all up, you're going to add some more glue around the very edge where you can see some of that colored paper, whichever color you have or used. And then you can go ahead and just close it like a book. And making sure to press down so then all the glue gets there. And boom, there it is. Super cute, and it looks so pretty in the sun. Hey everybody, I am back with the fourth craft of our Star Wars craft kit, so you can pause here for instructions if you want. First, I'm taking my popsicle sticks and I'm drawing a line about 1/3 up from the bottom. Now you can make these all different because every lightsaber is a little different. Now I'm going ahead and I'm going in with a black Sharpie because I felt that marker had looked the best on these popsicle sticks. But again, you can use whatever you have on hand. And I'm just drawing out the bottom of my handle, adding in some little extra details, adding in some circles, rectangles, squares that I am going to color in with a silver pencil. Now I'm going in with just one color. Maybe you want to make your lightsaber multiple colors. That'd actually be pretty cool. And I am just coloring in the whole top of the lightsaber. That's some extra detail off camera. I drew a white line down the middle, so it almost looked a little neon. You can't really see it too much on camera, but they still look super cute. Hey everybody, it's Ronnie here, and so for our next craft in the Star Wars craft kit, we're going to be making our own constellation. So first, you're just going to be gluing or taping or stapling, whatever is easiest for you, all these little stars randomly on your black piece of paper. Then after doing that, I am taking a white piece of oil pastel. Now you can use crayons, chalk, again, whatever is easiest for you. And I am just connecting all of these lines together to see what this constellation looks like. And so I was just randomly doing this with no plan whatsoever. And my brain was like, you know what? This looks like a fish. And so I continued connecting all of my stars together in the way that I liked to get this cute little fish.
So then I'm just going in with some oil pastel and adding in some little extra decorations. I'm naming my constellation. Don't forget to name your constellation. I named mine Goldie, like a fish. And then always remember to sign your work as well. So I hope you kiddos have lots of fun making and naming your own little constellation. Hey everybody, so we are on to our last craft of the Star Wars craft kit. You can pause here for more detailed instructions. So first you are taking some brown construction paper. I have two shades of it, a light brown and a dark brown, and I am just ripping it to shreds, because then we are going to glue them onto another piece of construction paper. So just as a heads up, you can use a glue stick, liquid glue, tape, whatever you have on hand that is easy for you to use. So first off, I did it off camera, but I drew on a little stick body to the proportions that I liked to kind of measure it out and eyeball where everything is going to be. So as you can see here, I am overlapping the dark and light brown construction paper, and I am doing it very randomly because, as I've said before, the randomer, the better. Because for some reason when you plan things out, it just doesn't look natural, but then when you do it randomly, it looks very natural. So there is the torso, and now I am getting started on the arms and legs. So here I am making one leg, and as you can see, I'm doing that same technique of just putting down my glue and putting all of the paper shreds on top in a randomized order. You can go back, add more, take some off, just do whatever is looking the best for you. So there are my arms and legs, and now I am finally going to do that with the head and just finishing it off like that. So I'm just adding that glue in the shape of an ovalish circle, and you can just finish up with that. Next, I am taking some black paper and just ripping it up to make a cute belt along with the white paper, and after adding some doodles, I love it. Have fun crafting, kiddos.
Alright, my Padawans, Jedi, and Sith, and everything else in between, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what your favorite craft was down in the comments below. I really like the planet Suncatcher, and even the mini lightsabers, they're just so cute. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing, because there is a lot more of this content to come throughout the rest of the year. So yeah, thank you again for supporting my channel, and don't forget to have fun crafting.